You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French painter and sculptor. If you want to learn more names from French and arts, in particular of French artists, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up, so stay tuned to the channel. French pronunciation here is Marcel Duchamp, Duchamp with a silent P. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Marcel Duchamp, Marcel Duchamp, or Duchamp, or Duchamp if you can. French pronunciation, Marcel Duchamp. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.